Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Law of Bacon. For today's episode, we're going to be making carrot cake. For this recipe, we're going to need flour, eggs, cinnamon, carrots, baking soda, white sugar, brown sugar, and oil. Now, this is a delicious recipe. I could assure you, you're all going to love. The first thing that we need to do is grease our pan. Now, this recipe is normally for a cake. However, I wanted to make it individual bite size, so I'm going to make them in this beautiful muffin tins for individual servings. Now that we've greased our pans, we're going to put them aside and start on the recipe. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to combine the flour, the baking soda, the cinnamon and nutmeg, and whisk it together until well combined. We're going to put this aside until we're ready for the next part. For the next part, we're going to combine the oil and the sugars and whisk that together for a few minutes until it has a creamy consistency. Now, adding the eggs one egg at a time. We add an egg and we mix. After all the eggs are in the mixture, we whisk it together for about 1 minute. Until it has this yellow consistency. We add a little bit of vanilla for flavor. We whisk together. At this point, we mix the dry ingredients with the grated ingredients that we mixed before. We pour it a little bit at a time so it's well combined. Once the ingredients are well combined, it's going to have this consistency that you could make a number or sign with it. At this point, we add the carrots. And using a spatula, we fold it into the mixture. Now, the recipe calls for about 3 cups of carrots or shredded carrots. This is to your liking. If you want to taste the carrot in the cake, you add as much as you feel comfortable with. Other people like to put raisins and walnuts into the mixture. But we fold it together once we added the carrots. So it looks like this. I like a lot of carrot, so every bite could have some carrot in it. And that's it. Once we finish putting this together, we're going to put them in the individual containers. Now, if you want to make it into a cake, you divide this mixture by two and put it into two round cake pans. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm making them for individual taking, so we're going to be putting them in the muffin tins. Now we put the mixture into the tins. Now that we put our mixture in the little containers, we're gonna put them in the oven. The oven is gonna be at 350, and they're gonna be in there for about 20 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes, so they came out of the oven. So this is how they come out. Look how amazing they are. Now I'm gonna put them to cool off, and once they're completely cool, we'll frost them. Taking the frosting that we made before, we're going to frost some of these cakes. Now we don't have to frost all of them. Not everybody likes frosting their cakes so because it has too much sugar. But I'm just gonna take one or two and show you how I frost them, and then let you decide how you want to move forward. Placing a big dollop on top of the cupcake. We swerve it around so it could just be on the top. I personally don't like frosting on my cakes, but that's it. We have a frosted carrot cake.